What? So, all right, guys. So we're gonna send this to Papa and Great Grandma. What do you say to Papa and Great Grandma?
Hold on. What do you say?
Logan.
Logan, what do you say?
Logan, what do you say to them? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Papa and Grandma.
Say we love you guys. We'll see you soon.
Logan, what is that? What is in the box? What do you and Faith have?
Packing peanuts.
Okay, here, let's Faith, why don't you, let's see.
Ooh. Careful.
They go round.
Yeah, they're spinning around. Yay!